Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel, and today I'm going to give a short, hopefully spicy tutorial that will help anyone new who's trying to get into the stream and who's trying to get onto Facebook gaming in particular, how to get set up, how to get your page set up and start your very first stream. Please stay tuned. So now we're on your Facebook page. This will be your page, whether it be old, new, or whatever. This is where you'll be. Then in the top, you go to create and then click page. You get two options: business or brand, community or public figure. We are going with business or brand, so we click get started. Then you put the page name. I call for some reason I called mine testimony gaming. That's no, I don't know, right? So then we choose the category. Now this is a very important step. The category has to be gaming video creator, right? And then that's what's gonna show up in Streamlabs OBS too, right? So we click continue and we wait for it to do its thing. Then we're in. We can skip this. We can also skip step 2 of 2, right? So now we're on the page, and one thing you must make sure is that in the settings on the templates and tabs, once this loads, make sure your template is set to video page. That is essential for you to be a part of the level up program, and also how Facebook really organizes gaming page, which is also technically a video page because after you stream, the videos will be there, right? So I hope you enjoyed this portion. We'll now move on to Streamlabs OBS and how you will connect this page to Streamlabs OBS. Now you're in OBS and you should be greeted with this page as soon as you've launched, after you've installed and launched the program. Now I'll click Facebook to log in. You'll get a pop-up. Of course, it's going to be the same for YouTube and Twitch. The same procedure, everything here that I will say will apply to Twitch and YouTube. So once you log in and you put your credentials, you choose the page that you are streaming to. Of course, with Facebook, there will only be one page because we will create one page. So that's what will pop up. You click that, and then once you've been authenticated, you'll be brought to this page. Now the Facebook login looks like that on the right. Of course, I'm not logged in there because I'm not streaming on this one. But now here we're just choosing themes. You can just type free in the search engine and you get a bunch of free overlays that is in the theme store, and these are very customizable overlays. Many persons can use one overlay and it will not look the same. So that's one of the good things. I downloaded Silver Arrow before just as to test it out, but I'm gonna go ahead and download Barrage. Click it. It takes me to the top. Click install overlay, and now it takes a couple seconds to install, and then it'll take me back into the editor. So now I'll go to the live screen and I'm gonna just show you how to add the PS4 to the background, your gameplay, so it can pop up on the stream. You'll click the little plus that's into the top right of your sources, and you'll see a pop-up. You just choose video capture device or a browser source, depending if you're using PS4 Remote Play or you actually do have a capture card. Once you do that, you can name it whatever you want. Then I'm just reordering it here just to put it at the back, so it's behind everything. It's behind my webcam and my chat box and my streams, all the stream stuff. So I'm just resizing it just to make sure it fits correctly. So I don't like disproportioned video on any stream. It turns me off. That's just me personally. So after that, you can also customize, like add your webcam to the overlay if you wish. Some people don't start streaming without camera. That's perfectly fine. As long as you have a good working mic, that's perfect. Now I just click go live in the bottom right, and you get another pop-up where you can put the game title in, like the title for your video, and you can choose the game that you're playing and put your description. Once you fill that out, you press done and it'll do its thing, and it's now sent to Facebook. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like just on the back end, create the studio, and how you can interact with your audience, see your alerts, and so on. Stay tuned. Now we're in Facebook. This is where, this is your page. This is when you go to log into Facebook and you're seeing your page. This is also what your audience may see if they log onto your page. If you create a new tab, I'm going to click and type create a studio in the search engine. Choose the first option, then you take it to this page, and on your bottom left on the creative tools, there's live dashboard. Now I recommend having this open at all times. This is what I do when I'm streaming, when I'm live. This is where I can see all my alerts, all my latest comments. I can see my stream stats, like how many viewers I have, how many stars I've gotten, and so on and so forth. It's really helpful. There's a lot there. You can also customize it, the columns, to whatever you want. So it's pretty intuitive and I like it a lot. It's really sort of, it's what YouTube has created for creators so they can monitor their stream. And I do recommend that you use it, as you know, I think everybody else who streams on Facebook uses this. But anyways, guys, I want to thank you for tuning in for this tutorial, the very first for this page. It's been fun creating this, and also a new challenge. This page will be mostly for content like reviews, tutorials, how-tos, any little rants I have. This is the type of content that I actually want to make. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. More videos are coming, more content is coming, and of course, if you like the video, do leave a like. I'm live every weekday on facebook.com/excitedset71. all my links are in the description, to my Instagram, to everything is there. If you also need logos or anything graphic design wise, all my links are in the description. So I do appreciate you guys stopping by. It's been a ride. Do look out for more videos, because we have more videos coming, and I hope you have a great day. God bless. Peace.